Hey, what's up guys? Steve here. So today we're going to replace the wiper blade on the back of your Jeep Grand Cherokee. So in my case, the wiper blade, it's just started to peel off, and it wasn't, when it does that, then it's not really wiping the outermost part of the wipe. So to replace it, you would think to lift up the arm, but then there's no way to pop it out. Well, that's because over here, this piece is actually preventing the arm from going all the way up. This is just a little bit of a cap to the bolt that keeps the arm in place. So in order to get this out of the way, this needs to lift up. And actually, it's on like a little hinge in the back, and you have to spread it right here in order for it to open up. So just give it a little bit of a spread, and then it lifts right up. Once you've got it lifted all the way up, then the arm can come up. Now you'll have the room to work with the wiper blade itself. Now, to get it off, it's held in there through just a little bit of a clip, and the clip just lets go as you turn it this way. So you just got to continue to turn it and bend it towards you, just like this. So once you've got that popped out, it's loose, and then it will just wiggle itself out. As it turns out, my wiper blade was peeling and cracking on both the top and bottom. This is the original wiper blade. So this has 106,000 miles, or 7-8 years of life on it. I ended up going with a Mopar brand wiper blade. I only went with Mopar because I've used the Mopar wiper blades in the front, and I've done that. I've only replaced those once. I'm a really big fan of how those wipe, and I've used other wiper blades in the past, and I feel like these have had the best performance. So that's why I went with Mopar. You can see the part number. If you want to go with Mopar, you can, or just go with any other generic makes out there. There's a bunch out there that will provide good wiper blades for a lot less money. I think this was $22, so you can point and make fun of me for spending too much. That's fine. I'm a real big fan of these, so I'm okay with spending just a few more bucks. And to put it on, it's just simply the reverse of how you took it off. But one thing to note, pay attention to the orientation of the wiper blade. You want to make sure that this thin section is facing underneath the arm. You don't want it the other way around. If you have it the other way around and you try and fasten it on there, then these little clips on the underside of the wiper blade arm itself will snap off, and then it's not going to be all held up and secured. So you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the orientation. Thin side under the arm. So just wiggle it. You might have to use just a tiny little bit of force, not much at all, just to get it in place. And then once you've got it on the hinge, then you lock it in place just by pulling it underneath the arm. Just like that. You'll hear a snap. And the snap just means that it's locked in place. Okay? Now to finish, just lower the arm gently, and then lower this clip, and then you're done. Well, I hope this video is helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe if you thought that this was a good video. Follow me on Instagram, IAmBigSteveoDIY. So check that out. Give me a follow there. Stay tuned for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one.